Star Firma takes Phoenix down in the first game of the PBA Season 49 Philippine Cup. Congratulations to the player of the game, Terrence Romeo, and our winning coach, Coach Raymond Tiongco. Coach, kapos man sa big men, you still found ways to win. We saw Luis Angalang play such a big role tonight. But overall, paano mo nakita nagbunga ang mga adjustments at preparations nyo nung off-season nyo sa laro nyo ngayong gabi?
Actually, committed sila lahat dun sa defense namin. We did good. May mga lapses pero nakapag-adjust naman kami kagad. Yung mga guards namin, big help dun sa mga bigs namin. So dun sa rotation namin sa defense, nakuha namin.
Coach, just a follow-up lang po on your assessment on Luis' game tonight.
Walang masabi. He gave his best naman talaga every game. Tsaka gusto manalo ng bata every game yun. Kaya pag binigyan namin ng bola, talagang gusto niya may nangyayari dun sa namin.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Terrence, on to you. Before the game, sinabi mo na you're no longer thinking of taking over the way you would before. But after being held scoreless in the first half, ano ba yung purposely and intentionally mong dinala sa second half to make this victory possible?
Unang-una yung defense actually nung Phoenix, nagko-collapse sila every time na nasa akin yung bola. So, double sila ng double. So, nahihirapan ako talaga hanapin yung points ko doon. So, nagdidikoy ako kagaya ng sabi sa akin ni Coach Raymond na hanapin ko yung mga kasama ko. And then, nung mga time na second half, siguro napansin nila na yun nga, puro lang ako pasa. Then, medyo nagkakaroon ako ng open look. Luckily, na pumapasok naman yung mga tira ko.